Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and we have to stick to the standard photo mode. It will be usually opened defaultly. So since we are in the photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar right here, and on the third position from the top we've got the timer option. This icon is responsible for, it announces us that the timer is off, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So of course it's up to you. Let me pick for example 5 seconds delay, and after tapping on it the icon changed slightly. We can check that we've got the timer set. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the the shutter button, and as you can see your device will count down from 5 in this case, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course it will work the same with 10 or 2 seconds delay. As you can see, the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. Of course we can turn it off just by tapping on this icon, and as you can see your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set the camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.